Plymouth Fury from Ohio. The guy just wants to talk about it. I just urged him to. So tell us about your Plymouth Fury.
1963 Plymouth Fury. The car originally came from Thunder Bay, Minnesota. At that time it had a 413 motor in it and stock interior. And then my brother and I totally redid the car. At the present time it's got a 605 cubic inch all aluminum Hemi in it. It makes a little over 950 horsepower. It's got a built 727 transmission, a Denny's custom 3.5 inch aluminum drive shaft, Moser axles. The body's all tied together. It's got a 355 gear and full custom leather interior.
You got, what are they, street radials on the back?
Those are Mickey Thompson drag radials on the back.
What size?
The rims are 15 inch, the tires are 10 inch wide tire.
10 inch wide tire.
What do you think?
Beautiful car.
That's old style Hemi.